Ambitious test for the city of Denver as it sent out an alert to every cell phone in the city just within the last hour. The hope is to make sure everyone knows about looming dangers. Our JamieALeary went to the airport to see how it worked in a busy spot. Jamie.
Andrea, it's crazy to think this was hugely ambitious that not only all of the people in this very busy airport were expected to get that alert, but people beyond the airport. I talked to the Office of Emergency Management and they told me at 11 o'clock they hit that button, and by 11:01 every single person we saw here had the alert on their phone.
I think in a state of emergency, it's an excellent idea. Everybody's got their phones all the time, so it was definitely loud.
We may have our heads in our phones a little too much these days, but on the upside, this has created an easy and loud way for the city of Denver to get your attention in an emergency. Everybody in Denver International Airport picked up their phones when that alert came through. Nobody panicked, but they did stop and pay attention and read that message. We spoke with people who received it on their Apple Watches, heard it on the loudspeaker, even got it while in transit on the train. Those with phones off while landing turned them on. They even received the alert. It's expected that alert went out to people within the area. About 1 million people were supposed to receive that. We were told if you have a flip phone, it might be a little difficult, but I did hear from at least one person with a flip phone who said he even received the alert. So far it looks like it was a success. Live in Denver International Airport, JamieALeary covering Colorado First.
Okay, thank you so much, Jamie. Denver.